Test your math skill with this SAT practice test. Make sure you wait till the end because there is a question for you to solve at the end. Now, if x minus 1, x minus 1 over 3 equals k, and k equals 3, what is the value of x? So let's solve this. If k is equal to 3, this means x minus 1 over 3 will be equal to 3. X minus 1 over 3 will be equal to 3. And here we can cross multiply so that we have x minus 1 to be equal to 3 times 3, and x minus 1 will be equal to 9. Then x will be equal to 9 plus 1, and that is 10. The option is D. D is the answer to this question. So now that we have solved this together, you practice this, solve this, and leave the answer in the comment. Let me know what you get. If 7a plus 2 over 2 equals b, and b equals 8, find a. Let me know what you get in the comments.